Hello guys and welcome back in my new video. Today I am going to show the unboxing and featuring of the Accu-Chek Instant Test blood sugar monitor. So this is our blood sugar monitor's box and I am going to unbox it. I have used this since 1 week and I know the complete features of this. So first you have a pouch like this. You need to open this. And this is inside our pouch. There is a pen. This is not a writing pen. This is to check our sugar. I will teach you how to check our sugar. Next, we have the monitor. This is the Accu-Chek monitor. And inside there is another zip. By opening this, you can see some pins. This is also called lancets. You can close it and keep it. I'll just show how to work on it. You can see here that the lancets are given and some strips are pre-fitted. This is the best part of it. And after the strips get over, you can get this strips box from your nearby medical shop. You have many strips inside this, and you can use this for sugar monitor. I will show you how to use it. So I am going to show how to pierce our hand for the blood test. So first there is a cap above over here. You need to remove it carefully. Okay, and take this pin. This is called lancet, and you need to insert this inside this over here like this. And here is also a cap. You need to slowly twist it and remove it. So you can see a sharp pin over here. Slowly close this cap again. And this is now ready. So now you need, this is at 0.5 level. You can set it to 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5 and 5. 5 is the last. And now you can again set it to 2 or 1.5. In 2, the blood starts flowing very quick, so it's better at 1.5. So to activate this pen, you need to press this one like this, and here a light will come. See, there is no light over there now. You need to press this, then a light will come over here. Then this will get activated. This is now ready to pierce. I take the hand and the blood starts flowing like this. Now you need to take this strip, insert this completely and press it. Now this symbol will show. You need to take the blood like this and the blood sugar will show up. So there is levels over here. So this shows the range of sugar. If it is red, it's low sugar. If it is green, then it's perfect. In that middle one is the perfect one, and the blue shows high sugar. And you can remove this by a tissue paper, and the same thing is given on the box. our warranty card. As you open this, there are details which you have to fill up, like name, date of birth, and address, your city, state and country, and telephone number. If you have any problem, you need to check the monitor's serial number, which is provided behind. I have covered the serial number. This is a serial number and you can put it with them. Looking at the structured blood glucose monitoring patterns help you and your medical practitioner identify the times of the day when your blood glucose is high or low. This information help you and your healthcare team make more informed decisions about changes in your diabetes care. Knowing how different foods and meal sizes impact your blood glucose allows you to eat a variety of foods and still maintain your good control over diabetes. And also, testing blood glucose before and after exercise shows you the impact of physical activity on your blood glucose control. This type of positive feedback can help you maintain a regular exercise regime and you will be able to feel better. When you are sick or your sick days and times of stress can have a big impact on your blood glucose levels. Regular blood glucose testing during times of illness and stress gives you a better understanding of how these health events affect your blood glucose. As you open the box, you need to start from here. This is kind of manual. So here the instructions are given. How to monitor this and how to check it. I have explained you already. So you saw how to test it, and now I am going to show the manual. This is not so important as I have showed everything in this manual, and if you want you can read up this manual again when you get this. So hope you enjoyed our video. If you have enjoyed our video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your family and friends, as well as comment down below. Thank you. Namaste. Goodbye.